how to make vanilla cakes, and there's an Easter mini egg buttercream version. But which one are you going to choose? I like them all, especially just with this vanilla icing. Oh, and in typical Emily style, we'll stick butter on. So you want to preheat your oven to 170 degrees centigrade fan and get some baking cups. Now, these are really pretty. And the last thing you want is them looking unsightly. So I have a little trick. What you can use is just some plain white ones. And then when your muffins are cooked, you slide them in, and then your baking cups stay absolutely gorgeous. So what you're going to need 150 grams of self-raising flour. Make sure it's in date. Then to that, you're going to add 100 grams of caster sugar, and just getting my spoons in order there, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 large eggs. And just mix it for a second, because then you're going to add in 100 grams of melted butter. Just make sure it's cooled down a little bit. You want to sort of fold in, but don't overmix. And then add around about 2 tablespoons of milk. Again, being careful not to overmix, or it sort of makes the sponge very heavy. You'll see that it's perfect when it gets to a dropping consistency. It'll still be fairly thick, so what I like to do is to just pop it into my Pyrex measuring dish and just sort of fill to around about 2/3 full. Then you want to pop it in the oven for around about 25 to 30 minutes. You will know that they're done when literally a cake tester or a knife or anything else you've got comes out clean. Let them cool a bit, and then, yes, I am drenching with this delicious vanilla icing sugar. It's amazing. I'll put all the links to it in the bio. But as you can see, the sponge is soft. It's absolutely beautiful on here. I like sticking some butter on. It's really nice, filled with cream and jam. But I want to fill mine with buttercream and those mini eggs. So yes, I'm just using that technique I spoke about earlier. So you want 50 grams of soft butter, along with 100 grams of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a tablespoon of milk. Then give that a good whisk round until it's light and fluffy. And then I have 2 80-gram bags of mini eggs. One I'm going to set aside because I'm going to use that for decoration, but the other I'm going to pop into a bag because, yeah, I'm going to take out all my frustration on them. Yeah, who's annoyed me today? But what that does is it leaves it up all nice and broken. Oh, whoops, in it goes. And then you're going to mix in the mini egg mixture. Now, with your cooled muffin cakes, you're going to just circle out the centre, and then you're going to stick it in. You could pipe in the buttercream if you wanted, but I find this just as easy. And then you plop the sponge bit on top, and then pop the decoration of the 2 whole mini eggs on the side. And again, what am I using? That gorgeous vanilla sugar. There it is. It's so good. Just go in and out of stock a bit, but again, I'll put the links in the bio. Drench it. Oh my goodness, these are so good. I'm almost salivating, even though I only ate them yesterday. I want more. That's just me. But how are you going to have these lovely vanilla cakes? And don't forget, if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go by now. It's my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.